the actual a literal scam happened with me right now, and I could have been scammed. It could have been so worse, but the delivery guy saved me in this. So I'll tell you, I got a delivery from one of these courier companies like Delivery, Blue Dart, whatever. So this was from Delivery, and I got this delivery from a health wellness supplement, some Japanese best business thing. And I opened the door, and normally, like, you know, someone or the other keeps ordering stuff, okay, but I don't do cash on deliveries. Like, I know myself, when I'm ordering stuff, if it's a small amount, I'm normally paid, but if I'm like very suspicious of a business, only then do I do cash on deliveries, and I have a mental note of whatever I'm buying. So this guy, he comes and he gives me the parcel, and I thought, you know, maybe my mother, maybe my sister ordered it, and I was just taking it, and he said, ma'am, cash on delivery hai. And I said, okay, maybe my mother or my sister ordered it, so I was just going to call them, and then he says, ki, ma'am, aapke naam pe hai. And I'm like, I don't remember ordering this. And then the delivery guy immediately snatched the bag from me, and I was like, whoa, what? And he said that, do you know there is this scam happening? ये जो इंस्टा फेसबुक वाले बिजनेस रहते हैं, वो लोग कैश ऑन डिलीवरी पे, अगर आपका एड्रेस सेव्ड होता है, लाइक उसके आपके एड्रेस पे वो लोग भेज देते हैं, एंड कैश ऑन डिलीवरी कलेक्ट करते हैं, और आपका कोई फैमिली मेंबर या कोई और पे कर देता है, एंड देन यू स्टक विद दैट प्रोडक्ट. एंड आई सेड, व्हाट द एक्चुअल this happens? And he said कि yeah, it has been like this case is rising, and I noticed, and मुझे लगा मैं पूछूं क्या, because he delivers at our house all the time, so he knows our family, and he says that, you know, like, I sort of know you guys order also, that's a problem with privacy. But anyways, you know, so considerate of him, he said that I thought so, like, आप लोग तो कभी कैश ऑन डिलीवरी नहीं करते, तो ऐसे कैसे आ गया? Now imagine if I would have paid. Imagine if it was on my mom's number or my sister's number, and I would have paid, and then he's like, मैं आपसे कैंसिलेशन OTP लेता हूँ. ये होता है, ये आजकल बहुत रैम्पेंट होने लग गया है, बहुत लोग कर रहे हैं ऐसा. एंड आई सेड कि हमारे सोसाइटी में कितने लोग के साथ हुआ? तो ही सेड, मुझे पता चल जाता है जब ये हो रहा है, क्योंकि ऐसे बिजनेसेस एक साथ बहुत सारा पार्सल भेजते हैं. तो अगर एकदम से हमें पता चल जाता है कि आज बहुत ज्यादा कैश ऑन डिलीवरी कलेक्ट करना रहता है, मतलब कुछ तो लफड़ा होगा. और ये होता रहता है मैडम, ये होता रहता है. आई सेड, ब्रो, स्टिल इट्स 600 rupees, and that's like a good amount for like a lot of people. And you know, I'm the perfect target audience. I believe some other small business that I must have shopped from had a data leak, or some Amazon or Flipkart, I don't know from where they got my address, number, everything, my full name, all my details. Not very difficult to get, by the way. And then they would sell the data of these customers to these other businesses who would randomly start selling COD products to collect, and they would have nominal amount, because sometimes for some people 600 rupees in a high rise society is what, like, it's just 600 rupees, right, for them. So they would pay ki, oh, okay, damn, I got scammed, I guess, whatever. But you have to be vigilant, because I didn't know this new scam that's happening. And thank God for the delivery guy. He stopped me and he said ki, I am canceling this, because I'm 100% sure this is a scam that's happening with you. I said, should I open the box or something? I'm like listening, like, what's inside the box? It was some health, wellness, Japanese skincare, Korean skincare product. And then he sent me an OTP immediately, and then he cancelled it. And this is crazy. This is crazy. Like, please be careful and track of what you're ordering, and let your family members know that if you've ordered something, when it's expected, when it's coming, and especially if it is cash on delivery, do not fall for tricks like this. You don't know, 300, 400, 500 rupees add up to a big amount. Don't fall for these scams, and just be careful.